survival gear and equipment, drink from rivers and streams. Perfect for backpackers, campers, hikers, disaster preparedness kit, day hike, RV, preppers and hunters. Better than water purification tablets for drinking. High-capacity filters. Most water bottle filters are good for only 20 to 40 gallons. Our reusable American-made water filter bottle Survivor filter produces 100 gallons of clean water. Now you can be Bear Grylls on your next adventure and leave your iodine tablets at home. Our most advanced American-made filter. The Nalgene 32 ounces bottle contains our most advanced filter. It removes 2000% more contaminants than a standard water bottle filter or water purification tablets for drinking, including bacteria, virus, cysts, lead, chromium 6, PFOA, PFOS, chlorine, fluoride, chloramine, mercury, VOCs, microplastics, and metals. As dirty water passes through the filter media, ion exchange permanently binds pathogens. Activated carbon absorbs chemicals and heavy metals. Water filter camping. Are you looking for a great camping water filter? This is the one. You will love it, guaranteed. Our 100% money-back guarantee is as clear as our water. Either you love your American-made water bottle with filter, or you send it back to receive a full refund. Friendly phone and email support, promotional discount codes, dishwasher-safe water bottles. Mom says best water bottle, dad says coolest water bottle, kids call it next level. Water purifier backpacking. Many backpackers try water purification tablets for drinking or UV light water purifier only to find out that the water tastes like chemicals or still contains suspended solids. With our proprietary American-made filter that uses advanced ion exchange and activated carbon, your backcountry water will taste fresh and safe every time. You can skip the iodine tablets or Bear Grylls Survivor filter for this adventure and go with the best water filter camping bottle. Water filter made in USA. Whether you are looking for survival gear and equipment, emergency water filter, water purification tablets for drinking, BPA-free water bottle or prepper gear and supplies, this is the ultimate filtered water bottle. Water bottle made in the USA. Yes. Filter made in the USA. Yes. Filter tested against NSF, ANSI 42, 53, 401, P473, and P231 in independent certified USA laboratories. Yes. This bottle will have you drinking clearly filtered water on your next trip. Top reviews from the United States. Epically good tasting water. Great product, and I like the fact it not only fits in my car's cup holder for travel, but the locking dust cover flip top, easy to operate, keeps the attached straw inside, hygienically clean, or as clean as possible. What I do appreciate most, is that the company states that the attached filter is good for 75 gallons before replacing, and to me, that is a great time and cash saver. By the way, it made our lousy tap water taste good. Now, I did not expect this filtered water to taste like drinking from a safe, fresh mountain stream, as that would be impossible because I get refills directly from our faucet. However, the water this bottle filters just tastes clean to my taste buds. No other way to describe it. I do highly recommend this Epic Water Outback Blue bottle.